Hello guys, today you will learn how to make a channel banner using PowerPoint. So let's get started. Here I have a dimension image for a banner making. I just copy it and place it onto the background that I have selected for my channel. You can also see the picture format above. Click it and go to the transparency option. Click that option and select it upon your own choice where you can see a background. Here I have selected 30% and can see my background clearly. Here you can also see the text and logo safe area. Here you have to write or paste a logo regarding to your channel. For example, I want to write something for my channel. So I go to the insert option, go to the shape and select the text box here. Make an area for it and write like learn and grow. It's just an example. You can write according to your channel. To make it visible, I change the color to white. Now I will increase the font size to make it more visible. Now we remove the background dimension image. Now your banner is ready. You can save it as an image to upload it onto your channel. I have shared this presentation link in the description. You can download it or use this presentation for your banner making. If you like this video, then share, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notified by our updated videos.